So here we have another little unboxing video so we can get a little closer up and have a look at the new side repeaters we have. This is for the Fiesta Mark 8 and also the new shape Puma 2019 on. Now these side repeaters are finished with a smoke lens. These are fully road legal, they are E-marked and they are also MOT compliant. So these are designed to just replace the standard ones what are fitted in your vehicle. So these are non-LED side repeaters, which have a real nice tinted smoke plastic. So you might find a lot on the internet seem to be just sprayed black and look a bit cheap and nasty. These are proper smoked plastic.